Welcome to Salzburg. With the beautiful train ride from Vienna. It was a wonderful train ride with lots of nice landscape from the window. Salzburg is the home of Mozart. It's been 200 years or so since he lived here, but Mozart is still very much Salzburg's favorite son. You can visit the composer's residence and birthplace, then explore the old city, taking in the Baroque architecture. If your musical taste run more raindrops on the rose and whiskers on the kitten than Requiem in the D minor, catch one of the many Sound of Music tours and follow the footsteps of von Topaz. Salzburg has a population of 150,000 as of 2019. Salzburg Historical Center is thus renowned for its Baroque architecture and is one of the best preserved city centers in the north of the Alps, with 27 churches. It was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996, which is not too long ago. The city has 3 universities and a large population of students. Tourists also visit Salzburg to tour the historic city center and the scenic alpine surrounding. Salzburg was the birthplace of the 19th century composer Mozart, as I said earlier. Because of its history, culture, and attraction, Salzburg has been labeled Austria's most inspiring city. And we loved it here. Now let's take a look at some photos. The following photos were taken with Fuji X-T20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. See you in Graz.